What it do, family? What it do? Y'all might be wondering where I am. Not at my shop. As y'all seen in the other clips, I was starting to prepare my car to get it painted. I was going to paint it myself. I was going to rust out and turbo can it. But between the time and my skill set, I decided I'm going to leave it up to the professionals. So that's what we decided to do. Put the car back together last night, like 1 a.m. Bring it up here. Dropped it off at the body shop. So the car will be getting painted professionally. And this is where she sits for right now. I think they should be able to get started on it tomorrow. So we'll see. Get a good look at it. It'll never look like this again. Ooh, need to hold my nose. All right, so here she is. Yeah, I can see. They got that roof down there, down near the bare metal. It's gonna turn out good. So, we're gonna have that nice little floral pattern on the roof. We're gonna see how it turns out. I think it'll be dope. Man, y'all see it, man. I'm out here, the body shop. Y'all seen, I just went in there, gave y'all a little sneak peek. They sanding it down. And my boy Kish pulled up. Y'all see this bag, girl. I've seen a few videos of this one before. Can you see it? Hold on. Yeah. 328. I like this jump. I've never been a huge fan of the fender flares, or the one-piece headlights, but my boy pulled it off. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how he did, but he pulled it off. Does not look bad. Hell yeah. But yeah, so cars in there getting worked on. Y'all see the body work getting done, stripping that thing down to bare metal. She gonna come back better than ever. Y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it. It's another day, man. I'm over here at the shop. I had to come check in on my baby. So, let's see. Y'all can see her in the background right there. Paint prep. Let y'all get a closer look. The whole car is pretty much paint prepped at this point. Then they're gonna pull the bumpers off, spray the bumpers. Start sanding the bumpers down. Filled that door, I think. They filled that door. I don't know. Can't really tell. I'm not a body expert, so I don't know. That could have looked like that up under the paint. I mean, they're going down to bare metal pretty much everywhere, bro. I like this. This front end, it kind of looks like that that cartoon thing. I kind of like it. It's cool. Oh, yeah. Look at it. Yeah, I got to get new headlights. I got to get new tails. I have some amber corners. I'll probably slap the amber corners back in. I got some other wheels that I want to put on too, but I got to do some work to those before they go on. But yeah, as of right now, they going crazy. I told them I didn't tell them anything, but I was basically like, I'm not rushing. I want it to look good. Just do your time, take your time with it. You know, whatever y'all feel is best that the car needs, just do it within my budget. So, you know, man, they're going ham with this, going ham when it's done. What? So when it come back, it'll be a completely different car. My engine bay probably dusty as fuck now. Well, it's not too bad. Oh, not that bad. So I see it. I don't even know if I have any coolant in this thing. You know? Look at the wedge. This joint probably dry. Oh shit! I know I got a coolant leak at the heater core valve back there. That thing. I'm gonna address that once it comes back. Once I get it back. I don't really like this thing. We can't see the coolant level, but I don't trust the plastic ones though. But that's just because my motors were overheating back in the day. Because I didn't know what I was doing. But yeah, man, I'm super excited. It's my first time ever having a car painted. And getting it painted the color that I've always liked, that I've always wanted. I found this color a couple years ago. I'm not telling y'all, but hey, y'all stay tuned, man. I got a lot of content coming for y'all pretty soon. I cannot wait to see how. I can't wait to see how they make that turn out. So that's the lace. That's the lace right there. You know, put the lace on the roof. They're gonna get that done up for me. We'll see how that turns out. I'm super excited about that. That was like kind of a big thing for me. I was like, I seen it on Instagram and I was like, I want to try it. So, you know what? It's the right time to try it. Why not? You know, I'm getting the car painted right now. It hasn't been painted yet. So let's throw in the idea and see what happens. And they ran with it, so we're gonna see. They liked the idea. They even gave me a few more ideas. I told them, man, have fun with it. Test your guys and just be creative, you know. So we're gonna see how it turns out, bro. I'm super excited. I'm stoked. Hey, I can't wait. I've had this car for 6 years. It's really officially finally about to come back better than ever. So, y'all stay tuned, man. Golly, all these darn bugs.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I get my camera ready. All right, y'all. Got that text yesterday. About to get a natural reaction right quick. My Rasta man sent me that text. Oh my God! Bumble clot! I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. It takes all. Oh my God! Yeah, now this is about to go in the garage. Oh, y'all ain't had to do me like that, dog. Bro, look at that. Like, I love the quarter panels on these cars. And that motherfucker. Muchas gracias. Hell yeah. God, Lee. Bruh. Just, bruh, this is my car, fool. That don't make no sense. Hell no. Bro, this don't make no fuck. Hi there. The bank closed, yeah. That's all I gotta say. The bank closed right now. This joke is smacking, bro. Like, just wait till it jump outside. All the pieces is on it. I need to get door trim. I gotta order them handles. I got some headlights. I need some tail lights. And some wheels. God damn. I needed a windshield now. Hey, I should have been did that. Fuck. Bruh. Damn. Nigga, my jaw about to be hurting, fool. This joint sore already. Like, I feel it tingling. Emblems, too. Yeah. About to spend a bag. Wife gonna be mad, but I don't give a shit. Be alright. I gotta put the black interior in that jump. I gotta get me 2 bucket seats. Gotta put the black interior in that mother. Already got the back in there, the seats. I just gotta put the door panels. I'm leaving the dash. I'm leaving the dash because I want to do that like black.
there's the cars that my company's or it tells kids over there to read it.
But you got, no, I had it already. I got it.
Black?
Yeah. Yeah. I got the black ones from the black car over there. They're already on that car, and then I bought 2 front ones. I have the back seats. I don't need seats because I'm gonna put bucket seats in. I'm not taking the dash off.
The back seat?
I have the back seat. It's in there right now, ain't it?
Okay, so you put the back seat in
Yeah,
there?
it should be in the car right now. I think so. I ain't gonna. It's in there. It's in there. Yeah, because I got the tan one back in that car. So that's the only thing I put in there was the back seat, the top of the rest and the bottom half. Yeah, and I just got to put the door panels on that mother. There's a couple, but I mean it ain't bad, bro. Shit, one color. I do not want to touch them fenders. Yeah, there's a couple there, but I mean it's not perfect, bro. It's a flip car. All right, come on. Good, mama. Oh, shit. Yeah, nigga snap, bruh. Yo! Bruh, that is fucking fire. Look at that, mama. Yeah, they not ready. Look at that jump, bruh. Yes, Lord. You like it, baby? Yeah, what do you think? Is it beautiful or what?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen.
It's okay, yeah, daddy car. Niggas popped out. God damn. You like it?
No.
God damn. That motherfucker. I knew I heard something. I said, bro, that sounds like my shit. Bruh. Nah, this is not real.
I thought that was you, y'all.
Nigga, this gun is hitting. Oh.
Yeah, something like this black out there. Yeah.
Damn, bruh.
You have fun wet sanding.
Damn. All right, y'all. Your boy is ecstatic. Got the car back today. I spent a little bit of time messing with it off camera. I just put this door trim back in on this side and the other side. I got to get some new seals for the window. I'm gonna get a new trunk seal because my old one is beat. I scraped some of the overspray and stuff from off of the window. As you can see, the whole front window looked like that, but the roof That is amazing. It's crazy. I also started to put the rest of my black interior in. I put the door panels in. I have to get the front door panels in. I'm gonna put bucket seats up front, so I'm not worried about those though, because those can rock out for the time being until I get buckets. Headliner decided to start to fall apart even more, so possibly gonna be pulling that down, pull those pillars down. I forgot what those are called, but yeah, pull those panels down too. Do those. And the deck lid, you can't see that, but the deck lid that's in there. I'll do those too. Do that one as well. But, hey, I'm like super duper excited. Never had a car painted before. And for this to be the result for the first time, I think it's pretty fire. So now let me know in the comments below what you think. I don't know what clips I'm gonna put in here, but we're gonna see. So, which I definitely will see the before and after. But y'all stay tuned, man. We got way more coming up. This fool ain't never too far from me, bro. You already know. Street Skids is about to be on the map, on the globe. Look at that jump, bro. I need to get rotors, so I need to get rotors. I'm gonna clean those calipers up, possibly paint them. Yeah, I'm thinking about painting them yellow, and we shall see. I need to get these door handle covers. I'm gonna order some of those. And I need trim pieces as well. Door trim all around. I have the bumpers. I'll get the bumpers back probably on Monday. And the side skirts. Get all of that put on. Swap my speakers out of the door panels. And then the car will pretty much be like put back together as far as what was taken off of it. But I also have to figure out a way to mount up that bumper bracket that goes right here, because it broke off. I only have one, and I gotta figure out a way to get that other one mounted up so I can mount that front bumper properly. And I have to get the rears. I have them, but I gotta figure, I don't even know how they go on there. I don't even remember how they go on there. But yeah, get that done. So hold on, let me get the flashes for y'all right quick. But hey, E36 is one color. It doesn't look like a complete bucket anymore. Y'all stay tuned, man. I told y'all we got coming for y'all. I'm cooking. Let me cook. Let me cook, okay? But y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think. So this is the beginning. Got the car one color. Needs brakes, rotors, seals, trim pieces, tint, all that. But yeah, it's coming. Gotta take it one step at a time though. But I thank you guys so much for all the love and the support, especially on the last video. I really appreciate it. Y'all keep crushing it. I'm gonna keep uploading as often as I can. And we just gonna make it happen. So y'all know what to do, baby. Hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you think about the color. Let me know what you think about the roof. You know, let me know what you think about it overall. Don't be scared. My feelings won't get hurt. It's my car. I did. It's done. What's done is done. So Just let me know the honest truth. Yeah, I'll get one more peek at it. Wait till the side skirts and bumpers and stuff is on. And then, yeah.